Take the bolt out, swing your caliper up, just like that. And you want to make sure, what you want to do is now make sure, see those sliders? You want to make sure both of them are sliding, which is good. Alright, now we see we got these little separator clips. Make sure you put these back, because what they do is keep the brake pads, you see how that spread it apart. It keeps them apart. Keeps the brake pads away from the rotor. Because if not, they get stuck in there. This thing is going to overheat, cause some serious issues. So we pop those little springs out. Pop our brake pads out. Each side. Now let me put this one back in here.